What's up, players? This is Jordan Howenstein with another Nice Kicks unboxing. Today we're taking a look at Big Sean's latest shoe with Adidas, the Big Sean x Adidas Metro Attitude. The Metro Attitude is Big Sean's third three-stripe signature and follows up two different pro models, the first being the all-red Detroit Player and the second in all black with snakeskin. This release is inspired by Big Sean's love for Hawaii, as well as Good Music's recording studio on the island of Oahu. It comes in a tropical box all over with gold three stripes down the middle. So without further ado, let's take a look. When you pick up your pair and open the box, you'll see that this Big Sean shoe comes in a premium shoe bag with the floral print that matches the actual pattern on the shoe. It started off with black suede that represents the sand in Hawaii on the toe cap, as well as the heel portion and the three-stripe branding. That matches a suede tongue in black as well as partially waxed laces and a premium leather lining. All of the black keeps the focus on the multicolored floral print that's seen in scales all over, across the entire lateral side, on the toe box, and all the way to the medial side up to the ankle collar, and even a portion of the midsole. Further detailing comes in the form of a gold bar on the side, a top gold eyelet, a trefoil logo on the back, as well as the top of the tongue, Big Sean's lion logo on the flip side, and his lyrics on the inside. The shoe is finished off with premium gold lace tips and an off-white outsole to keep the focus on the print. The latest Adidas sneaker from Big Sean comes in the form of this colored Metro Attitude that will drop this Saturday on September 13th for $165 at your local Adidas account. Tell us if you rock with these in the comment section below, and as always, keep it locked to Nice Kicks for more unboxings, boy.